Hello and welcome. As today's date comes in that of Monday, the 7th of October, 2019. My name is Derek. All bets, trades of the like, within each his own risk and their own reward. I'm pretty surprised actually. Bitcoin's got this day like it is today, up 3.8%, but really not too much. It did come down this level of support, but we did break yesterday from the 18 lows as well. Quick move back to this little area of resistance in here. I really got to think the way that we're looking at this, kind of obvious, breaking down this level of support, that Fibonacci level here at 63, and that's what it looks like it's going to go. And so I think regardless of the fact, it's going to be really fast either way to either the 63 or the 10. As a break of this level of support, it's showing the less and less likelihoods, although still playing well with today's rally, or more likelihoods even, of the failed breakdown and getting it back to 10,000 quick. But whether it's a failed breakdown that would happen or it's going to resist and then support, meaning go up to 98 down to 63. I think if it gets above this 85 level, it will not be a gradual, slow move up to 10. I think it would be one of those ones where it goes up in a matter of hours or minutes. Well, probably not minutes, but maybe. But where the daily or within 1 or 2 days, where you just have a very fast move to this point. And then, of course, after that, we're in a really interesting situation in time in here. And, well, that means, of course, but let's just take a look at a different time frame and the monthly chart. One where we're seeing that the size of these moves aren't too magnificent. But if any sustained rallies do manage to get really good, because this is going to be above 10,000, okay, I'll be talking about getting back to these previous highs near 13. But any real momentum above here is like excitation of this 18 average, and that's when it can get pretty wild. Of course, a move to 6,000 would bring it down to the 18 average of lows in here. Moving on to Bitcoin dominance, which is declining, which means altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin today. As it's leaving the 18 average of lows back down to this previous level of key support. And well, this could be interesting because the altcoins are showing interesting setups, to say the least. Let's first take a look at GoChain, which is the way it's moving on the 18. This thing really looks ready to go. And I'm like, go. Well, that's the name of the coin, go. But yeah, I'm cheering for this to have a nice little bull run. But I got this all sorted by percentage gains. And if I just click on these really quickly, and we're in the daily term time frame, this is Tron. And we see a beautiful break already getting above this level of resistance. Lumen, XLM, nice excitation of the 18. Ripple, how it's been exiting its 18 as well against Bitcoin. Komodo, nice, beautiful setup there. Tesla's, well, it hasn't been around for too long on Binance. Ravencoin, great setup here on this one. Bitcoin Cash, this one's stuck within this range, but getting above the 18 average now. Band flattening out. DGB's been showing this sideways pattern, but it looks like it could be leaving above here. This could be a bullish setup here as well. LITECOIN, okay, it doesn't got the bullish setup in there, but it is holding and staying above and within the 18 average of highs as well. Sky, of course, I mentioned before that it looked ready to go. It did. It came back. Works out well because I was able to buy this for Go as well. This went up as Go was going down, and now this has been going down when Go is going up. That's great for me on the ratio trade. Atom, this is at this key level showing, oh my goodness, very nice little test within this level of resistance, how it got above this 18 in here. You can call this an inverted head and shoulders, cup and handle, however it is, but this neckline here, getting above it, I'm going to be expecting a quick move to the previous key low at around 4,700 there. Neo, okay, it's just in the sideways mode, but it's it could leave the 18, have a big move. It wouldn't surprise me as well. And of course, these are the ones not up as well. Waves leaving the 18 average of highs. Gross has got a great setup here. As we can see in here within the last few days, how it's managed to move sideways, correct within this 18, but more importantly, establish this big resistance at a little over the 25 handle. Ethereum Classic, maybe not so much on that one. Not everyone's showing it. Dash got up to the 18 average of highs above yesterday. And H-bar is a new one. And Theta, it's really more sideways as well. But a lot of them showing good setups as well, as I've shown. And just quickly showing some ratios. As Sky Go, here we see coming back down here after Well, it was up there before. Just great volatility that can be in play because this move in here, as it was going up, this was Sky doing very, very well. Gets up to like 68, now down to 54. And just even since September 23rd, or September, yeah, around the 23rd, the range has been between 47 and 70. So, okay volatility. We look at Theta and Litecoin together. A lot of up and down choppy action. That's what I like about the ratio trading. However, since late September, the range here is like 630 to like 700. So we got like a 7-8% range over this period. So you can still go for smaller percentage moves. I have not, but these types of plays are amazingly available. You just got to look at this and say, okay, how am I able to maximize my profits? What do I have to do as far as the work, the information? What do I need to do, kind of things, and that's going to work out very, very well. But as we can see in here, it's been just one of those ratios I'm looking at. It's like, oh, it's around 650, 660 as it's in this sideways range. But the whole point of me showing this, and I just finished off with Theta, of course, as well, too, is, of course, Litecoin as well. When they go, they can just, at any given time, just, oh my goodness, it's up 40% today, or even 100%. And a lot of times there's just no indicators to tell you that it's going to happen, rather than these people just come in and just buy, 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 buy. And it's the charts will just show it after the fact, and you'll get the big moves. In this case, you would be seeing this go way down if Theta had a big move, which of course was the case many situations or many times ago, sort of like in here, and definitely on the November 30th date was the case as well. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to today's video and have yourself a great day. Bye bye.